Izinyunyana zezisebenzi zisamukela isimemezelo sikaNgqongqoshe uGordhan zithi lesi isinyathelo esidingekayo. U-Eskom uqala izigaba ezehlukene zokucinywa kogesi isikhathi esingaphezulu kwamasonto amathathu okufaka ingcindezi esimeni somnotho ezivele siyisibe ezweni.
Whilst it was absolutely necessary to restructure the board of Eskom, especially given its present state and the fact that many of those on the board oversaw its downfall.
Well, for now, we can only welcome the decision by the minister to change the board. It is long overdue. We wanted that to happen for quite a long time. We are just hopeful that the new board will be able to resolve issues at the entity.
Unobhala jikelele weSAF uzwe uthi lesi isinyathelo kufanele ngabe kudala sathathwa.
A real announcement would have been by the president on his return from bearing the Queen of London and England. He should have come back to say, I'm announcing that I'm recalling the Minister of Public Enterprises first, uPravin Gordhan.
Estatimendeni uNgqongqoshe uthe maduze nje leli Ibhodi lizohlelwa kabusha. Amalungu eBhodi azokwaziswa ngomphumela wohlelo.